This is going to blow your mind. Imagine your brain is a garden. Instead of flowers, you grow thoughts, memories, and skills. Neuroplasticity is the brain's superpower to change and adapt this garden throughout your life. Just like a garden, your brain needs care and attention to thrive. Neuroplasticity means your brain is not fixed, it's always changing. Every time you learn something new, you create new connections in your brain. When you practice a skill, those connections get stronger. Amazingly, even the structure of your brain can change. Areas can grow larger or smaller depending on how you use them. This remarkable ability allows your brain to adapt and optimize itself throughout your life. Exercise is like Miracle-Grow for your brain. It triggers a cascade of positive changes that boost brain function. One key player is BDNF, a protein that acts like fertilizer for your brain cells. Exercise increases BDNF levels, nourishing your brain cells and helping them grow. Think of it as giving your brain cells a supercharge, making them stronger and more connected. This enhanced connectivity improves your ability to learn, remember, and think clearly. But the benefits don't stop there. Exercise also improves blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients it needs to function optimally. This increased blood flow enhances alertness, focus, and overall cognitive performance. The transformative power of exercise on the brain is evident in countless real-life stories. Take, for instance, the story of John, a self-proclaimed couch potato who struggled with memory and focus. John decided to incorporate just 30 minutes of brisk walking into his daily routine. Within weeks, John noticed a remarkable difference. His memory sharpened, his focus improved, and he felt more energetic throughout the day. The simple act of walking had unlocked a level of cognitive function he never thought possible. John's story is not unique. Research has consistently shown that regular exercise, even moderate activity, can have a profound impact on cognitive function, improving memory, attention, and processing speed. Section 4. Easy exercises for a sharper mind. You don't need to become a marathon runner to reap the brain-boosting benefits of exercise. Simple, enjoyable activities can make a world of difference. Here are a few easy exercises to incorporate into your daily routine. First, brisk walking. Aim for 30 minutes most days of the week. Invite a friend along for added motivation and social interaction. Next, dancing. Put on your favorite music and dance like nobody's watching. Dancing is a fun and effective way to improve coordination and cognitive flexibility. And then, gardening. Get your hands dirty and connect with nature while engaging in moderate physical activity. Gardening can be a meditative and rewarding experience for both body and mind. Remember, the key is to find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the full cognitive benefits of exercise. Section 5. Your brain on exercise, feeling the benefits. As you make exercise a habit, you'll start to notice positive changes in various aspects of your life. You'll experience increased energy levels, improved sleep quality, and a greater sense of well-being. Exercise has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. It's like a natural mood booster, helping you feel more positive and resilient in the face of challenges. Moreover, exercise enhances creativity and problem-solving skills. When you engage in physical activity, your brain is better able to generate new ideas and find innovative solutions to challenges. Section 6. Embrace exercise, unlock your potential. In conclusion, exercise is not just about physical health, it's a powerful tool for unlocking your brain's full potential. By incorporating regular physical activity into your routine, you can enhance neuroplasticity, boost cognitive function, and improve your overall well-being. Remember, your brain is capable of remarkable change and adaptation throughout your life. Embrace the power of exercise and cultivate a healthier, sharper mind. Start small, find activities you enjoy, and make exercise a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Your brain will thank you for it, so what are you waiting for? Embrace exercise today and unlock your true potential. Your journey to a healthier, sharper mind starts now.